Open Lloyds bank account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I will show you the ways to open Lloyds bank account. So first of all you have to do is just simply search for the lloyds.com and just go to the official website of Lloyds bank.com, and after that, in order to open the bank account online, all you have to do is just simply scroll all the way till the bottom of the screen on the official website itself. And over here under the product and services section, you will be able to see the option called current accounts. Just simply click on it and it will open up the different bank accounts that the Lloyd has to offer. When you will scroll down, you will see that there is classic Lloyd bank account and there is Club Lloyds silver account. So there are different types of account that you can go for if you want to open it. You can do your research and find out which bank account suits your needs better. And after that, once you have decided to open the bank account, you can also read the package with which all these bank account comes with. So for example, in the classic bank account you have £0 monthly fees, and in the club you have £3, and in the Club Lloyd silver you have 11.50. so you can choose accordingly. So for example, you want to open the classic one, so just simply click on it, and after that just scroll down and see what this bank account has to offer. And when you feel like you're ready to open the account, just simply click on ready to apply. And now you have two options: either you can go ahead and apply in the application of the Lloyds official bank, and you can also continue with the website. So I'm gonna click on that, and over here on this page, just simply scroll down and click on this continue section where you have to fill in and answer few questions. And it is asking whether you are an existing Lloyd bank account customer or no. So just select all these information and make sure that you're filling the information correctly. And you have the privacy and the terms and policy related to the Lloyds bank account. If you click on this menu icon, the article will expand and you can read more and more information about it. Just simply click on next after reading it all. And over here on this page, you have to provide your personal information along with your name, your gender, title, your phone number, date of birth, and other details. And after that, just simply click on next. And on the next page, you have to provide your address along with your zip code. And after that, you just have to fill in and provide all the documents that the Lloyds will ask you in order to make sure that your account will be created sooner. So you just have to simply fill this particular form right here with all your personal information and the details that the Lloyds will require from you. And after that, once the application has been submitted, all you have to do is just simply wait for 7 to 10 business days, in which the Lloyds will go through your application and it will verify your application. And after that, once your application gets approved, you will be able to receive your debit card and your account information in your mail ID itself. And yeah, from there you're good to go. So this is basically how you will be able to open Lloyds bank account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.